Hi guys, when you go outdoor, we need an assistant, right? But if we use Google Map, then we can get the direction step by step. Sometimes Google Map does not fulfill all of our needs. In this video, I will show you an alternative of Google Maps which can help you to get the right directions step by step. And the best part is the app is made in India. It is an Indian map. So my dear Indians, please subscribe this channel and use this application and share your feelings into the comment section. Oh, also don't forget to share which maps you are using, Google Maps or any other third-party maps, into the comment section. That's all this side from Accessible Computing. Let's jump in. To use this application, click on the link given in the video description below. It will take you to your Google Play Store. Just download the application and watch this video till the end to learn the rest process. I have already downloaded the application. Let's open it.
Showing a map created with Mappls. Scroll by dragging 2 fingers. Zoom by pinching 2 fingers. Window Mappls MapIndia.
Whenever you open this application, in the first screen you will see this message. Next is, I'm swiping from left to right.
Unlabeled button.
This is an unlabeled button.
Search for places and Mappls pin.
Here you can search the places.
Unlabeled button.
This unlabeled button is the menu button. Next,
Fragment home direction.
Home.
Fragment home what and where. Real view button.
real view.
Map
It's
layer
not for
button.
us.
Mappls pin button. Current location
Current
button.
location.
Button.
If you want to know your current location, you just need to give the permission access.
Image view yatra
Sorry,
button.
you need to give the permission to location access.
Stop recording. Show
Okay, so these are the
1
options.
minute. Stop
Here.
recording. Showing a map create. Fragment home. Real. Search for unlabeled button.
So let's click on this menu.
Menu. Login.
Here you need to log in. I don't have any account, so let's create an account.
My world view. Login. Mappls map. Skip button. Email phone number username. Edit box.
Here enter your email if you don't have any account. If you have account, you can just enter that username or email. So I don't have any account. I am going to give my email ID, then click on
Continue.
this button, continue. So I'm clicking on
Email phone number
email
username.
phone number. So either you can give the email or you can give the phone number.
Showing English.
So I'm giving
India.
the email ID.
Keyboard. Suggestions available. Editing. Full name. Edit
After entering
box.
email ID,
Showing English. Rachel. Editing.
Here you
Full,
need to type
Rachel. Editing. Full name.
Full name.
Rachel Basak.
so I'm typing my
Rachel.
full name.
Password.
Then
Password.
you need to
Edit
give a
box.
password. Your password must be contains at least one capital letter, one small letter, one symbol, one special character and one number, and minimum 8 digits. So I will give the password, then
Not ticked. Skip. Password must. Password. Not. Enter password. Stop recording. Password must. Enter. Bata. Not. Password.
let's see what's the next option.
Keyboard hidden. Stop recording. Not. Password. Not. Password must. Password. Not ticked. Enter password. Stop recording. Enter password. Window Mappls MapIndia.
Okay, so let me enter the password. Let's see what happens after that. Once you provided your password, then a continue button will appear. Just you need to click on continue and your account is created successfully. Now you can use that account. Let's see.
Update profile. Skip.
Update profile.
Update profile. Link your mobile number with Mappls 2. Get
Okay.
update. Link your mobile number with Mappls 2. Get alerts from your IoT devices. Recover. Update. Map type layer button. Button. Current
So for
location.
example, I
Stop
just don't
recording.
want to update right
Showing
now.
link your mobile number. Update.
I'm just click on skip.
Showing a
Now
map
see.
created. Search unlabeled button.
Now here if I press
Menu. Rachel
like
Basak.
in menu, see
Rachel Basak.
here
0
my name is
saves.
showing.
My world view. Your feed.
My world view.
Apps.
Apps. Okay.
My saves.
My saves. So if you save any places, this map looks like Google Map, but in Google Map some features are not accessible for all time. That's why you can use this application. This application is created specially for outdoor. If you want to see the live demonstration of outdoor, just comment below. I will try to make another video for you.
My saves.
Then
my gadgets.
My gadgets. So if you connect other gadgets,
share my location.
Share my location.
Get Mappls pin.
Get maps.
Image view play video button.
So this is a video, I think guide video.
Add a place.
Add a place.
Settings.
Then settings. So there's some general settings. Let's see.
Unlabeled.
A little bit inaccessible.
Enable showing a map. Change.
Oh, it is
maps
quite
search,
inaccessible
unlabeled,
with talkback.
Fragment home direction.
So
button.
for example, if you
showing a map created with map.
Let me search a places.
Showing a map unlabeled. Search.
Click here.
Search. Showing a map. Pubs and bars. Showing English. In coffee. Work. Restaurant. Pubs and bars.
More. So if I click on more,
showing a map.
See nearby things are like Google.
F charge. Petrol pump. F charging. Parking. Pharmacy. ATMs.
So let's click on ATMs. I'm just showing you
unlabeled
how it works.
ATMs. Edit. Search clear. Map layer button. Toy list current location. Collapsed. Axis Bank ATM. Nundy Station Road.
So let's see. I want to go to this ATM.
Search
ATM.
Search clear B. Axis Bank 8. Showing a map created. Axis Bank 8. Map LS. Directions. Map type layer. Current location. Stop recording. Axis Bank ATM. Directions. Showing a map. Search icon. Axis Bank 8. Direction.
So click on directions.
Showing a map created with map.
Oh, see.
Tab. 4 of 4. Directions back button. Your current location. Direction stop. Axis Bank 8. Direction stop action. Tap on map to enter. Image view 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
It will take 3 minutes to go there.
380 meters.
Okay.
Image view told start.
So when you go outdoor and click on start, then it will tell you the steps and it will tell you the step-by-step direction. So this is the use of this application mainly. So this is a made in India application. So what you need to do is you just try to use this application. You can take it as an Google Maps alternative. I'm not encouraging you to uninstall Google Maps or stop using Google Maps, but you can take it as an alternative option. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time, so that's why I'm ending this video for today. Let's enjoy our Independence Day. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. If you find this content useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you first time visit this channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.